Welcome YouTube. This is the Velvet Locks with another video. Now listen you guys, I have this wonderful powerful drink. You drink 1 cup of this before each meal and I tell you the toxins, the pollutants, the stuff that this is going to get out of your stomach is going to surprise you, and it's going to be using flax seeds. Yes, so that is the area that is so hard for so many of us to get rid of. Well, let me tell you guys, I have something that I want to share with you right now that's been helping me. Yes, you guys, flax seeds. Now let me explain to you what flax seeds are and what they do for you. Now flax seeds is one of the most beneficial seeds in the world that is full of vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, fibers, everything that is essential for proper body function. Now these flax seeds quickly eliminate the toxins from your body. It also cleanses your intestines. It will help to reduce your appetite. It's going to lower your blood sugar levels, and it's going to make your body absorb those nutrients. And like I said, it is amazing. Flax seeds. That's it. Flax seeds. Now, what I'm going to present to you is this wonderful concoction that I am making that is going to get rid of all of that excess out of your stomach area, leaving you with that slimmer belly. Okay? Getting rid of the bulge. Now, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to prepare this drink, and then I'm going to give you the instructions on how to take this drink so that you will definitely see the results like I have. Okay, so let's get started right now. Okay, so I have my big container of flax seeds right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to boil this. So let's start with the video right now. Now in this video, you're going to boil 4 cups. Now, this is not a big pan at all, but it just about did it. Okay. All right, you're going to boil 4 cups, which is 1 liter of water. Okay, so after our water is brought to a boil, now we're going to pour it into our pitcher. All right, so I'm going to take, now what you're going to need next is 3 tablespoons of flax seeds. And you're just going to put that in your pitcher, your mason jar, whatever you want to use to store it in. Then you're going to take your 1 liter of boiling water and pour it in your pitcher as well. Okay, and that's it, you guys. Okay, matter of fact, you're going to make this at night before bed, and in the morning is when you'll take your first cup. Okay, before breakfast on an empty stomach. I will also give you instructions on how to drink this wonderful, powerful drink. Okay. Thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that notification bell right next to it, so this way you will know when I'm uploading another video. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so you will not miss another one of these type of videos. So let's get started.